So, I have decided to play another game of Battle Royale on Android, this time with sound. So, since the last time they have actually updated the app, it seems that it is not only Battle Royale that you can play, but also Classic World Mode, and seems that they are going to add country streaks. But I'm going to play Battle Royale now, and I'm going to start the game. The problem is that while I am in the Gold League, I would most likely be uh, thrown into a game with some Bronze League players. I'm not sure if it is just that it throws you into lower levels play, or it is because all phone players play with other phone players, and it seems that phone players are just having smaller levels than they have on their computers than players who play on computers. And as I mostly do play in my browser, it seems that it feels like cheating to play on mobile a little bit because I play with weaker players. But anyway, let's see. Perhaps I would actually be beaten up fast in the first rounds. Yeah, as you can see, these players have like very low levels. What we have here? We have some rod, and on the other hand, I'm not as good as to play with no moving and stuff, so I would move. So we have some Spanish, Semillas de Calidad, but I'm not sure which Latin American it is. So it is not Colombia, but it seems like Argentina. Let's see. Yeah, because there was a black dot on the number plate there. I have a Samsung S Pen, so I can point to some things. But it is probably knowing that this panel is here. I should probably see how to remove it in the recordings. What I don't like is that I cannot see who have guessed it, and I cannot see which countries were guessed, like except here in the notifications. Like on the PC version, I can just see what people keep guessing. Yellow number plates and bicycles. So Netherlands. Yeah, it very much looks like Netherlands. Yeah, it was Netherlands. I think everybody has got it. Or almost everybody. Yeah, some people are still guessing, okay. It definitely shows that it is lower levels players who might not know that it is the Netherlands. That is one of the countries with the yellow number plates. I guess I will play like 3 games and I might suck in them, I might win in them. But let's see. I wonder if I should edit my videos or not. Like, as you can see, if you are some random viewer, which is unlikely, but it might happen that the YouTube algorithm has recommended my video to you. So I haven't really figured out how to manage my channel because I have very different videos in different languages on different topics, which isn't good for YouTube promotion. So it is somewhere in the Balkans, I think. Вечерний list. But where exactly in the Balkans? I'm very bad at Balkans. I see some Z, but I don't know what it would signify. What do we have here? Some... Like it might be Slovenia or something like that. Well, definitely not Germany. Definitely not Germany. Like Austria would make actually some sense, but it is definitely some Slavic language speaking country. And the time is running up, so I guess I need to start guessing at least something. Okay, let's see, what do people guess? They've guessed some random stuff, so let's see. Slovenia? No. Croatia? Okay, it was Croatia. That was lucky because that's one of the rounds I could actually be kicked out on. We see some Thai, unless it is Khmer or Lao, but it is most likely Thai. And yeah, we only have 3 slots in this round, so that's why it feels like cheating, because it wasn't too hard to get here. It is much harder to play on computer with stronger players. What is going on? It wasn't rotating. Ulica Energetica. Is it Russia? It was Russia. Or shall I say it was Russia? What do we have here? Is it Norway? Because of that green number plate here on the track. Yeah, it was Norway. Okay. So yeah, it was very easy game against some low level players. And we have more lower level players. Lower level players. I should learn how to pronounce it. Is it like Hungary? Like my first feeling because of those polls is Hungary, but I'm not sure. So let's guess Hungary, but also see for more clues. Yeah, it was Hungary. And this would probably say Utsa, but I didn't need to zoom into it. So I am the only one who has guessed yet. Yeah, so as I was telling, I haven't really figured out what to do with the channel. I have some Wikipedia related videos, I have some Geoguessr, and I also have a video on Call of Duty. And perfectly, I should probably separate them if I really do want to upload videos from time to time. I'm not really planning to become a YouTuber now, but it is like, why not? Like, I can probably do it from time to time. It is fun to record some stuff, and what I'm also thinking about recording is to record doing some like Japanese exercises, because perhaps it would stimulate me to learn the language. Or because of Geoguessr, actually, I got interested in Singapore, because Singapore is very easy to recognize here, and it would be embarrassing if I will get around today and not recognize it. And one of the languages of Singapore is Malay. So I decided why not to try to learn it. This might actually be Singapore, but no, it is not likely to be it, but it is like... No, it is some Latin American country. What does lumber plate look like? Nothing really unique here. The kind, it is very much blurred. Not Spain, but yeah, but it, you know, it is probably Latin America. It is not Spain. There is some color here, but I don't have any clues except for this parking lot, it seems. Well, I should try Argentina. Is it Argentina? I don't know. Mexico? Oh no, it is bad. It is bad. Is it? Oh, is it Chile? It is. Oh, it was Dominican Republic. Makes sense. It was Dominican Republic. But it was second place still, so it is still kinda cheating. And another round. It looks Japanese. It is Japan. Yeah, it is definitely in Japan, and I have almost clicked on South Korea. It is very embarrassing. So what can we see here? So we have some Europe, which is probably not. Or is it actually France? It might actually be France, I'm not sure. Yeah, it is France. Like, the French plates have blue on both sides, but it might be very, very light blue, so it is not seen. And I wasn't sure, but it seems that they have old yellow plates, which is something I have learned from Jupiter, of course. Where else? Casa de Oculus. Is it Brazil? Yeah, it is Brazil. I am bad at recognizing Portuguese when there are no nasal vowels and when there is no like C with the tail. What was it? Cedilla or whatever. But yeah, is it like Bangladesh? It is probably Bangladesh. Yeah, because there was like, is it like, I don't know, is it Devanagari or some other script, some Indian script? So it might have been India, it might have been Sri Lanka, but it was Bangladesh. By the way, it seems that Sri Lanka doesn't occur as often to me as it used to be. So, let's see. We have one win, one second place, and how will this game go? We still have 6 players here. Oh, and the 3 players, okay. So people didn't get it. And it is in the middle of nowhere, and it might actually be like Colombia or Sri Lanka or Cambodia. Let's see, not South Africa, no. Motorcycle. What does this thing say? This thing has some squiggles, so I think it is Cambodia. No. But it is then Thailand? No. Wow. How do I zoom into Pic Wow? No. What was it? arbitrary mixed click on Thailand. There's definitely some of those three. So I have probably misclicked. Or I don't know, is it like Nepal? No, it is not Nepal. I don't know. It was Thailand, I have misclicked. Shit, I have probably clicked on China or something. I want to play again. That was embarrassing. That was so embarrassing. So we have some road in the middle of nowhere. My first thought is Botswana, but I'm not sure. Let's see, it might be South Africa. Yeah, okay, it is Botswana. Like, relatively, like, actually not relatively, like, quite high quality roads in the middle of nowhere in like in some semi-desert. Is it like savanna or whatever? It is often Botswana. Which, like, usually you wouldn't find any signs, any road names, anything, but it just how it looks, like how it feels. So not really much of any meta here, just pure feel and pure landscape. Okay. Hopefully this wouldn't be as embarrassing as the last round was, because like not to get Thailand when you see Thai language, that is embarrassing. Like my first thought was Cambodia because of the red soil, but I was sure that I was guessing Thailand. I probably guessed something nearby, even though I'm using the stylus to click on things more finely than I would with my fat fingers. It looks like some German language, unless it is that. No, it is German. And is it Germany or is it? It was the Netherlands and I was too slow. Okay, let's play the fifth game because it is very embarrassing. Third place. So like it is still raising the average, that is why it is cheating. It is still raising the average for me, because my average is like, I don't know. Okay, that is either Bangladesh or India. I would go with Bangladesh first, because my average is above 5. So when I get like 3 or 2, third place or second place, I am still improving my result overall, but that does feel like cheating because I'm playing with new players. I am also a new player, like I played through this game only for 2 months, but I have Gold League now. There people are guessing India because they don't know it is not here. Usually people guess in Pakistan because they don't know. Okay, Sri Lanka is here, but usually it has, was it Tamil in Sri Lanka or something with very like round squiggles rather than the Devanagari script with like fine line and. Okay, short pause here. Some bunga is flower in Malay. And this is some, or is it internet domain? .com, I think, doesn't help. Okay, let's go with, I don't know, with Austria. No, it isn't Austria. Okay. Is it the Netherlands or is it somebody has guessed Austria as well? That's why you should look. This might be Slovenia. I'm not sure. I cannot go to those side roads, and I don't know how to return. I don't see the flag to return. Okay, what do we have here? Is it Germany? Is it Slovenia? It was Poland. Okay, that is it. And this one sucked. I hope that you have enjoyed my bad attempts at playing. And yeah, and I will probably upload more videos later. So I'm not sure what I will do with this channel. I'm not sure if it makes sense for you to subscribe or whatever, but well, feel free to do that. I will appreciate it. And if you're some of my friends watching, thank you for watching. This one, it was with the sound.